Here we are, typical morning. Parrots have decided to come and visit. Right now, jeez, look at this. Got them in the trees. Flying everywhere, look at that. There must be 30 or 40 of these guys out here. And those are just the ones you could see. Look at this pretty red-headed one. Look at them, man. They're stacked on top of each other. Look at Let's see if they come around in circles and come and return. Here they come. I scared them off by standing out here. Here comes one starting to return. Isn't that pretty? Look at the head on that. Here they come. Oh, they're not going down. They're not going on the ground. Look at that. Not one of my feeders on the ground. That's gonna tick them off. Alright, there you go. See you later, bye.